I absolutely love these nail buffer files. They work awesome. And it's four-sided. Let me show you how it works. So the first one is to shape. So you can use this side to shape the nail. Then the second is to smooth the nail. And make sure you get the edges. So go side to side like this. Because if you just do it on top, you're only going to get the top. And since your nail curves, you need to make sure you get all of the sides. And this smooths the nail. Next step is going to be number 3, buff. And we're going to buff the nail. And see how I'm doing it? Side to side. And make sure you do all the sides, because if you just do it on the top, you're not going to get the results that you're looking for. Okay, so this is what it's looking like. And now the magic happens on the 4th one, and this is going to polish the nail. You see what it looks like? Now, after I use this, you can even hear the squeakiness of it. And check that out. Do you see that shine? And I didn't even put any clear nail polish on. This is just what happens from you polishing it. So first, shape, smooth, buff, and polish. And it looks like I put some clear nail polish on, but I didn't. And it feels so soft. So do you see the difference in both the nails? This one is ridgy and dry, and this is nicely and polished. Definitely recommend this buffer for your nails. It is essential in my manicure case. Thank you so much for watching, and hope you found this video helpful.